So for the example, so first we'll derive the ODE of a physical system. So this is an example of a physical system or control system. It is an RLC series circuit. So magkakasunod yung R, L, and C. R meaning resistance, L for inductance, inductor, and then we have also the capacitance. So for this one, we first have to identify kung ano yung input or output. So for the input, we have voltage. So ito is denotion lang, okay. So hindi siya current. So yan, we have VI, and then for the output, we have ito yung magiging load natin, yung C. So, ang measure dito will be the VO. Okay? Itong voltage dito. So, ano ba yung mesh law or mesh equation? So, for a series, this is a series circuit. Okay. The input voltage is equal to okay, so hindi ganyan. Tama rin siya, pero ang pinakatama talaga, ang voltage na to is equal to sa mesh circuit, voltage input minus yung mga voltage drop sa each element, okay, is equal to 0. So we have VR, voltage drop sa resistor, and then minus VL minus VC, or we can also call this as VO, is equal to 0. So V input is equal to, move natin to sa kabilang side, VR plus VL plus VO. Pero ano ba tong VR and VL? So this is the equation, right? Ito yung physical equation. So, yung VR, we have to remember yung ating basic electrical. We have the V is equal to IR formula. So, same thing. We get the I. Ito yung I. Umikot sa buong circuit. Kasi sa series, ang current is same for all the components. Ang voltage naman is summation ng voltage drops. Okay, kaya tayo nakarating sa ganitong equation. So, if we know this formula here, VIR, we can substitute this later doon, and then for VL, it's the same thing, but instead of I, since meron tong nagbabago-bago yung inductance natin per time, so we have here the DI dt derivative, first derivative of current times this inductance. So this one naman we can substitute to here later. Okay, so we have VI is equal to IR plus, substitute this, DI over DT L plus VO. Okay, so we don't want yung I sa ating formula because we're just dealing with VI and VO.